Healthcare begins with trust and grows through innovation. Where care meets creativity, a healthier world begins. Welcome to Halon Healthcare, where the word is life. With cutting-edge technology and GMP-certified facilities, we bring excellence to every step of our process. Backed by highly qualified scientists and dedicated professionals, and crafted using hand-picked herbal and natural ingredients. Our finished products are made with the highest standards of quality and efficacy, and tested by experienced professionals and doctors. Trusted by millions of doctors and patients across the nation. Delivered to you with love and care through our trusted distributors. Healthcare through natural nutrition and creating healthy nations is our agenda. Together, let's fill the world with love. Halon Healthcare, the word is life. Visit us on www.halon.com.